So guys, have you ever tried using gizzard as barbecue? Oh my god, guys, this is super yummy, super mouth-warming, delicious, and is a must try, guys. Try this and thank me later. Super good, guys. Let's dive into the video. This is your washed gizzard. Transfer that into your cooking pots. Add all your seasoning. While that is cooking, guys, take your pepper, your bell pepper, onions, put it in the oven, allow it to roast a little bit, transfer it into your blender, add some cooking oil, and blend. Now the gizzard is well cooked, set it aside. So now, guys, take your frying pan and transfer the blended tomatoes inside the frying pan. Allow that to cook for a while you add some soya pepper, Maggi cube, paprika powder, and allow that to steam. Allow that to cook for a while till it looks very, very thick. Allow that to cook, then it look like this. Then this is perfect. Then take your stick and arrange it properly like this, as you can see in the video. Your gizzard, your paprika, your onions, just like as you can see already in the video. So when you're done with that, you're gonna now you put it inside the sauce and massage it inside, rub it all together, sprinkle a little bit of your soya pepper, then transfer that into your oven. Oh guys, this is super yummy, super amazing, super delicious. Everybody will love it. If you want to do some birthday party, you can also add this to the menu. It's going to be bomb. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and to my subscribers, thank you all so much for watching my video. Thank you for sharing my video. You guys are super, super amazing. I wouldn't have been able to do this without you guys. Thank you for your support. I so much really like it, and I appreciate you so much. So this is it, and guys, this is super delicious and mouth-warming. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye.